Hi, my name is Adam. I am a university student. Every day I follow a simple routine. My routine helps me stay organized, fresh, and happy. I wake up early at 6:30 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and take a deep breath. It helps me wake up and feel fresh. Then I drink a glass of water. My mother says water in the morning is good for health, so I always do it. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up completely. Then I brush my teeth to keep them clean and healthy. After brushing, I take a quick shower. It makes me feel fresh and ready for the day. Next, I get dressed. I like to wear simple and comfortable clothes for university. Then, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and a cup of tea. Some days, I eat oatmeal or eggs. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. After breakfast, I sit at my desk and check my to-do list. I write down important things like classes, assignments, and meetings. This helps me stay organized and remember my tasks. At 8 a.m., I leave my house and walk to the bus stop. The morning air feels cool and fresh. Sometimes I listen to music while walking. The bus arrives at 8:15 a.m. and I sit near the window. The bus ride takes 15 minutes and I reach my university by 8:30 a.m. When I reach the university, I feel ready to learn. My first class starts at 9 a.m. I take out my books and notes and wait for the teacher. I always try to listen carefully and take notes. Learning new things is fun for me. After my first class, I have a short break. I go to the cafeteria with my friends. We talk and I eat a small snack. Then, I attend my second class. The morning classes end at 12 p.m., and I feel happy because I have finished the first part of my day. After my morning classes, I feel a little hungry. At 12:30 p.m., I go to the cafeteria for lunch. I don't like eating heavy food in the afternoon because it makes me feel sleepy. So I eat something light, like a sandwich, salad, or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I drink juice or water with my meal. After lunch, I like to relax for a while. My friends and I sit outside on a bench and talk about different things. We laugh, share stories, and enjoy the fresh air. It is a good break before starting the second half of my day. At 1:30 p.m., I go to the library. The library is quiet, and I can focus on my studies. I spend 1 hour finishing my assignments or reading my notes. If I complete my work early, I read a book. My favorite subject is history, so I like reading history books. At 2:30 p.m., I have my afternoon class. This class is sometimes difficult, so I listen carefully. I take notes and ask questions if I don't understand something. The teacher is very kind and explains things well. After class, I have a short break. I go outside for a little walk. Walking helps me refresh my mind before I continue my day. At 3:30 p.m., I go to my part-time job. I work at a bookstore for 3 hours. My job is to arrange books and help customers. I love books, so I enjoy my job. I also meet new people and learn new things every day. At 6:30 p.m., my work ends. I feel a little tired, but I also feel happy because I have earned some money. I take the bus home, and during the ride, I listen to music or watch videos on my phone. The bus ride takes 30 minutes, and I reach home at 7 p.m. When I step inside my house, I feel relieved. The afternoon was busy, but I finished all my important tasks. Now, I can relax and enjoy the evening. After a long and busy afternoon, I finally reach home at 7 p.m. As soon as I step inside, I feel tired but happy. It feels good to be back home after a full day of studying and working. The first thing I do is wash my hands and face. The cool water makes me feel fresh again. Then I go to the kitchen, where my mother is preparing dinner. I love the smell of freshly cooked food. Some days, we eat grilled chicken with rice and vegetables, and other times we have pasta soup, or a simple sandwich. My mother always makes sure we have a healthy meal, and I appreciate that. At 7:30 p.m., my family and I sit at the dining table to eat. This is one of my favorite moments of the day. We talk about what happened at school, work, and life. My younger brother always shares funny stories, and we laugh together. Dinner time feels warm and peaceful because we are all together. After dinner, I help clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes, wipe the table, and put everything back in its place. Doing small chores makes me feel responsible and helps keep the house tidy. At 8 p.m., I go to my room and take a short break. Sometimes I lie on my bed and scroll through my phone. I check messages, reply to my friends, and look at social media updates. But I try not to use my phone too much because it can be distracting. At 8:30 p.m., I decide to go for a short walk outside. The evening air is cool and fresh, and the streets are quiet. Walking helps me relax my mind. Sometimes my younger brother joins me, and we talk about school, games, and funny things we saw during the day. It is a nice way to unwind after a long day. At 9 p.m., I come back home and take a warm shower. A shower makes me feel clean, fresh, and relaxed. After that, I wear comfortable clothes and sit at my study desk. From 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m., I review my notes or finish any homework I have. I like to complete my work at night so I don't have to rush in the morning. This helps me stay organized and stress-free. At 10 p.m., I close my books and take some time to relax. I read a few pages of a book or listen to soft music. Some nights, I watch a short TV show with my family. As the night gets quieter, I feel calm and peaceful. I know my day is almost over, and I am ready for a good night's sleep. At 10:30 p.m., I start preparing for bed. The first thing I do is brush my teeth and wash my face. It is a small habit, but it makes me feel clean and refreshed. My mother always tells me that taking care of my teeth is important, so I never forget this step. After that, I change into comfortable night clothes. I like wearing soft pajamas because they make me feel cozy and relaxed. Then I sit on my bed and drink a warm cup of herbal tea. The tea helps me calm my mind and prepare for sleep. Some nights, I also write in my journal. I write about my day, my thoughts, and my goals. It feels good to express myself on paper. At 11 p.m., I turn off the bright lights and switch on a small night lamp. The soft light helps my eyes relax. I take a few deep breaths and think about the best parts of my day. I try to focus on positive things because it helps me sleep better. Before going to sleep, I like to read a book. I pick a light and interesting book, something that is not too difficult or serious. Reading before bed helps my brain slow down and makes me feel sleepy. Sometimes I listen to calm music or nature sounds. The gentle sounds of rain or ocean waves help me relax even more. At 11:30 p.m., I lie down, close my eyes, and try to clear my mind. I take slow, deep breaths and let my body rest. My bed feels soft and warm, and soon I start feeling sleepy. I always try to sleep before midnight, because getting enough rest is very important. When I sleep well, I wake up feeling fresh and full of energy. If I sleep late, I feel tired and lazy the next day. That is why I follow a fixed sleep routine. As I slowly drift into sleep, I feel grateful for the day I had. I know that tomorrow is a new day, full of new opportunities. I remind myself to stay positive and keep working towards my goals. And just like that, my day ends. I close my eyes, take one last deep breath, and fall into a peaceful sleep. Having a daily routine can make life easier, more organized, and stress-free. Whether you are a student, a worker, or someone trying to improve their time management, A good routine helps you stay focused, healthy, and happy. Now it's your turn. What does your daily routine look like? Do you have any special habits that help you stay productive? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this story and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more engaging English stories. Keep practicing, stay positive, and build a routine that works best for you. Start today. Create a routine that brings balance, success, and happiness to your life.